Hello students, today I am going to talk about a character sketch of Bassanio. Introduction. Bassanio is one of the important characters of The Merchant of Venice by William Shakespeare. Bassanio is a true friend of Bassanio. He loves Bassanio very much, and Bassanio also loves him very much. They are examples of a friend in need is friend indeed. Bassanio helps Antonio, and Antonio too has been helping Bassanio from time to time. His personality. Bassanio has charming personality. Due to his charming personality, all the people like Bassanio very much. Due to his great personality, Bassanio is very popular in his locality. He is a great noble. All the people like Bassanio very much. Extravagant. Bassanio is extravagant. He spends a lot of money on luxuries. He spends a huge amount of money on his living. It is why he always runs short of money. A true friend. Bassanio is a true friend of Antonio. Bassanio wants to marry Portia, so he plans to go to Belmont to marry Portia. But at that point of time, Bassanio has no money. So he goes to Antonio, his close friend, and asks for 3,000 ducats. He tells him clearly that he wants to marry a rich heiress, Portia, but he has no money to go there and marry her. Antonio does not have money with him at that very time. He tells Bassanio to go to Shylock for money. Shylock is a Jew. He is inimical to uh, Antonio. There is enmity between Antonio and Shylock because Shylock is a Jew and Bassanio is a Shylock is a Jew and Antonio is a Christian. Another thing is that Antonio helps money. Antonio helps the poor people, the needy people, without taking anything in return. But Shylock gives money to people on a high rate of interest. So due to these two things, there is uh, enmity between Shylock and Antonio. However, under this circumstance, uh, Antonio goes to Shylock for 3,000 ducats with Bassanio. Uh, Shylock is waiting for such a critical moment. He tells Antonio that he will give him money only when he becomes a guarantor to Bassanio. He tells him that he has to sign a bond, and the bond will allow me to take a pound of flesh from the body of Antonio. On this condition, he will give him money. Uh, Bond is prepared. Shylock signs over the bond. Antonio signs over the bond. Shylock gives him money. Antonio takes this money and gives it to uh, Bassanio. Bassanio takes this money and goes to Belmont to marry Portia. He uh, Bassanio is an intelligent man. He is so intelligent that he succeeds in selecting the right casket which contains the portrait of Portia. And thus he wins the heart of Portia. He gets the hand of Portia in marriage. Uh, Bassanio and Portia are married. Bassanio overstays there after his marriage. Now the time for payment of Shylock passes away. So he files a suit for a pound of place in the court of the Duke. Now, the Duke of the court issues summons to all the parties concerned. Antonio writes a letter to Bassanio informing him that Shylock has filed a suit for a pound of lace in the court of the Duke, so his life is at danger. Now, Bassanio is a great friend. He comes to the court. Portia gives him a huge amount of money to pay to Shylock and save the life of his friend Antonio. Not only this, Portia comes to the court in the guise of a barrister with her mad servant Nerissa as her color. Now, Portia pleads the case so wisely that he wins the case and she saves the life of Antonio. Thus, we find that Bassanio is an important character of the Merchant of Venice. He plays important role in the play. He is a generous man. He is a true friend. He is very kind and compassionate. He is extravagant. These are the traits of his character. Dear students, I think you must have uh, understood and grasped the character sketch of Bassanio. It will help you answer the question uh, in the university examination. If you like my video, like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you very much.